Welcome to Taposhi education tutorial. Here we discuss about the reproduction from seeds. I hope student you see part 1 and part 2 of this plant life chapters for better understanding part 3. Here student, the flowers are the reproductive organs of seed-bearing plants. Flower from seed that develop into new plants. Through the colors, shape and size of flowers are different. They have a common structure. Flowers grow on plants and produce fruits. Fruits have seed inside them. For new plant, seeds are very essential, but fight against to survive, and plants seed sometimes destroyed by strong winds or heavy rains and eaten by insect or birds and animals. That means it is a channel to survive, one type of the threat of nature for surviving. In spite a lot of obstacle overcome and new plants emerge. Right student? In here to understand how seeds are formed, let us know more about flowers. Here I given some pictures like a hibiscus flower. In this picture, here some parts of the flowers are included. Basically, main parts of the flowers are sepals, petals, stamen and pistil or carpel. Here I mention the all parts of that particular flowers. Okay student, now we discuss about the seeds and fruit formation. That means how the fruit from the flowers. There are many ways by which the petals of flowers might help to attract insect by color or smell. They may attract insect by their color, shape and size, scent, amount of nectar produced. These phenomena, the insect and the wind are the two most common means of transporting pollen to another plant. But flowers can also be pollinated by bats, birds, spider, butterflies, honeybees, moth or water. Sometimes the self-pollination is rare but does occur in a few plants. This transfer of pollen from one flower to another flower by pollinator is called pollination. Very important student here. Pollination. Bats, birds, spider, butterflies, honeybees, moth, they help in pollination. They are called pollinators. That means the birds, spider, butterfly, they are help to pollination. In this picture, you can see a butterfly flying over the flower and a bird collected the nectar that means the honey. Thank you student for watching this video. I will come for more details, so don't forget to subscribe my channel